Now, grab your preferred drawing tool. The brush tool is excellent for this. Select black as your foreground color. You can experiment with different brush tips to find one that best mimics your natural handwriting. A slightly textured or conical brush often works well. Take your time and carefully draw your signature directly onto the transparent canvas. Focus on making it clean and readable, just as you would if you were signing a physical document. Once your signature looks perfect, it's time to save it in a format that preserves transparency. Go to File, then Save As. In the Save As dialog box, choose a location for your file. For the format, we want to select PNG. This file type is essential for maintaining that transparent background. Name your file something easily identifiable, like my digital signature. Click Save. Your digital signature is now ready to be used. You can import this PNG file into any document or application that accepts images, overlaying it wherever you need to provide your electronic endorsement, from contracts to official digital correspondence.